Hey, 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 what's up, everybody? It's Miranda, your sexologist, coming at you. And I wanted to talk about how to please your woman in the bedroom with your mouth. So, I have a nice little diagram here for you that is going to help us out. So, here's the thing, guys. So many men want to know how to please the woman through oral. And with the woman, it can be very tricky. And the reason why it's tricky is because, one, a lot of women don't know herself. So that makes things a little tricky when you don't know how to please yourself and then you're asking somebody else to please. So that's number one. Number two, guys don't understand the anatomy on a woman and how to please the woman and how does her anatomy works for her. That's another thing. And here's the thing. No woman is the same. Every woman is different. So when you are, getting out of a relationship, you get into a new relationship, you can expect to go down on the new woman the same way that you went down on your ex. It's just not going to work. But anatomy is really a big thing. And I think it's important for men to really know the woman's anatomy to help you further along. Some guys, they get it naturally, and then there's some men that kind of struggle with it because there's some factors that go into making her come orally. So here we have the vulva. Okay, and with the vulva, it includes everything. We have the clitoris, we have the urethra, we have the vaginal opening, we have the labia majora, and it's majora because it's big, and then we also have the labia minora, that is the inner lips to the woman. Now, when it comes to pleasure with a woman, of course, we all know that with the clitoris, it has over 8,000 nerve endings, actually way more than the man. And a lot of her feeling is going to be around the clitoris. But here's the thing about the clitoris. The clitoris is not just a button, okay? The clitoris actually extends downward. And I have that for you. When you look at the clitoris, this is the behind the scenes to the clitoris. So we're working with a lot that can give us pleasure. It's just all about knowing how to give us pleasure. Now, when it comes to going down on a woman, one, you definitely want to make sure that you are getting her nice and lubricated. Yes, the more spit that you have is definitely going to work for you in your favor. Also, knowing where to touch. Now, it's okay to touch the clitoris, but when you start to apply direct pressure to the clitoris, this can actually be more bothersome to the woman because the clitoris is so sensitive. So what you would want to do is, one, massage her, massage the pussy, get all around the mons, get all into the vulva, into the lips, massage her pussy as if you're going to massage her shoulders or any other part of her body, because you want the pussy to relax. You want to bring that blood flow to the pussy. Massage the lips. If she's still a little dry, lick on her, kiss her, and then use your wetness from your mouth and get all in between the labia folds. Okay, and then don't directly go on the clitoris, but go around the clitoris, licking, little sucking. Don't be like a vacuum cleaner and suck too hard. Just suck a little bit, little sucks, until you can see what exactly she likes and what she is into. And actually, with her, if she wants to use her hands, because some women like to massage their clit as the man or woman is going down on them, that's okay. Don't take that from her. And another good thing that you should remember with the clitoris is because it comes down, use your toys, use your fingers, use a toy of hers, especially when it comes down into the vagina. So this is the G-Spot tool I have on my site for Yoni Desires. It's so good for massaging inside the vagina. So you go into the vagina, okay, with the G-Spot, And what you will be doing is you will be massaging upward. So as you are massaging upward, you are also licking all around her. Okay, so you're giving her double pleasure. And you want to do that because she can come not only from the clitoris, but she can also come from the inside. So if you are massaging and licking at the same time, you are giving her more pleasure. And the more spit that you have, is better. You don't want her to be dry. And also, another thing to incorporate is the anus. So you can, massage all in the G spot, or you can take your finger and you can massage the anus, or a toy for that matter. Because when you massage the anus, it also is filled with a lot of nerve endings, and you will be able to provide her pleasure in that way, especially as she gets closer to having an orgasm. One, the anus will open up for you, so it's a lot easier to take in, like smaller toys or your fingers. And two, you're going to just bring on so much pleasure, and with the nerve endings in conjunction, she will want to explode. Another thing, guys, you have to be patient. You have to be patient with a woman because a woman does not always come fast. A lot of times it takes a woman at least a good 10, 15 minutes to come because one, she's like a car. You got to get her started. Then once you get her started, you got to let her run a little bit. And as you let her run, she starts to heat up. And then that's when you are able to really start providing her pleasure. Speed. The speed of your tongue does matter. Yes, you can go slow with your tongue. Not if you're gonna go slow, do nice long strokes with your tongue, not short strokes. You do the short strokes when you want to go fast, and when you are going fast on her, you like I said, you can do the click, but you're not staying on the click. You can get up under the clitoris, which is a hot spot for women. You can do on the clitoris, but you are going to be going really fast. And if you are going really fast, don't start sucking in the process. Just go fast and definitely incorporate your fingers with it. Speed is important. Pressure is another thing that's important. So when you are using your tongue, don't be so light with your tongue that she can't feel it. You do want to add a little bit of strength to your tongue to be able to give her some direct pressure around the clitoris. Now, here's another no-no for you guys. Now, with guys, I know, and it's very sensitive in this area. Right here is very sensitive below the clitoris and above the urethra. Urethra is where we pee from. Guys, do not lick the urethra. Well, you can lick it, but do not stay on it, and do not focus too much on the urethra. And the reason why is because with using your tongue, you can induce bacteria from your mouth into the urethra, and then cause her to have a UTI. So you don't want to do too much to it. You can do all around it. Do all around it. Do above it, even up under it. And like I said, don't forget to get your G spot, because the pressure from the urethra and will provide orgasms as well. That's where the G spot comes into. But these are some tips to help you along with giving pleasure to your woman. And then after you make her come, here's the thing. Once you make her come, if you keep up with the speed, slow it down a little bit, and then rebuild that speed back up, she will come again for you. And you can make her do this multiple times, but you have to allow it to come down a little bit, and then you rebuild back up the momentum, and as I said, make sure it's nice and wet, and that you are using everything, your fingers, your toys. Your toys are your best friend, guys. You will completely satisfy her if you can do it all. Take my advice. This is for you guys. I want you to go and practice on your lady. Oh, and don't be afraid to ask her, does it feel good? Ask her. Point to where you want me to go. Put my head down where you want me to go. And if she puts her head there, of course, don't move it. Just leave it right there. If she say don't move, guys. Don't change the speed. Don't do nothing. So I hope this helps. Please respond in the comments and let me know what you think about this live. Also, if you are not following, please subscribe, subscribe, share, do all those great things. And we will chat later. Bye.